A new era is dawning in the world of robotics. Humanoid robots are gradually moving beyond labs and exhibitions, transforming from technological toys into real commercial products. One company particularly active in this direction is the Chinese UBTECH Robotics. Their humanoid Walker C is increasingly appearing in the news, at technology forums, and at industrial demonstrations. Many call it the Walker C1, although the company itself more often uses the official name Walker C. But far more important than the name is what this robot reveals about the future of the entire industry. Just a few years ago, humanoid robots looked more like expensive experiments. They could walk, wave their arms, and hold simple conversations, but it all resembled a show for investors. The real problem was different. The robots were too expensive, too slow, and too limited for the real economy. But now the situation is beginning to change. Walker C is an attempt to create not just a demonstration android, but a full-fledged service robot for the commercial environment. Standing approximately 163 centimeters tall, with depth cameras, autonomous navigation, human recognition, voice interaction, and integration with modern AI models, it's more of a mobile intelligent terminal than a traditional robot. And the most interesting thing is that China is currently trying to scale up such systems as quickly as possible. UBTECH isn't the only company in this race. Unitree, Agibot, Furrier, and other Chinese humanoid developers are rapidly growing nearby. But UBTECH was one of the first to move toward real industrial integration. The company is already testing robots in factories, logistics, business centers, and service areas. And here's where the most important thing begins. A modern humanoid no longer has to be a perfect human. It doesn't need to completely replicate us. It simply needs to perform economically useful tasks more cheaply, reliably, and around the clock. This is precisely what's changing the market now. China is trying to replicate with robots the same strategy that once worked with electric vehicles. At first, the technology looks crude and strange. Then mass production appears. Then the price drops sharply, and then global scaling begins. If this scenario repeats, humanoid robots could become one of the major industries of the late 2020s. And we're no longer just talking about warehouses and factories. Such systems are gradually moving into hotels, shopping malls, healthcare, elderly care, and even home assistance. But the main question remains: can humanoids become reliable enough that people will begin to perceive them as a normal part of everyday life? Because it's at that point that robotics will cease to be futuristic and become the new infrastructure of the global economy.